Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're at the storage yard and it's our first visit properly since the lockdown, and we're going to be looking at our caravan, what condition it's in and how we can keep it ready and fit for the road as and when we're allowed to take a trip out. So come and join us. So today we're going to be doing a few little maintenance jobs on the caravan just to make sure it's in good condition and ready for the open road as and when we're allowed out. Today's video is sponsored by Shield Total Insurance. For a competitive quote, please click the link below. Thank you. So one of the most important parts of maintaining the caravan while we're at the storage yard for a length of time is the tyres and the wheels. Now firstly, I've put some tape at the bottom of the tyre where it's in its original position, and what we're going to do, we're going to move the tyre and the wheel. Then turning our attention to the lock, which obviously we have to remove before we can rotate the wheels. We're going to take the locks off, make sure they're in good condition, they've not started to rust, and one way to prevent that is to use graphite grease. It's better than WD-40. WD-40 is great if it's actually seized, it will free it. But to keep it maintained and working in good fashion, the best thing to do is use a grease, and I use graphite grease. Another quick check that your PSI on your tyres is at the right height. As is showing 62.8, and this caravan is 63, so we're going to just put a little bit in it. Now another thing I like to do is check the storage locker, make sure everything's okay. We haven't had any leaks or we haven't had any damage while we've had it in storage. Also, check your gas bottle, make sure that that's all safe and secure and you can't smell any gas smells. Now another thing we're going to do is a general inspection of the caravan itself. So make sure it's reasonably clean. We've got no damage to it. Because where I'm parked in the storage yard, we do have some overhanging trees, so I like to just check to make sure none of the branches have come down and caused any damage to the van. Now also, while as it's been in storage, I've just removed the A-frame cover. We don't have the handbrake on while the caravan is in storage because you don't want the drum brakes to seize, so we like to leave it in its open position so that it prevents this. In order to stop the caravan moving, I do put wedges underneath the caravan wheels so they're all chocked and they can't move. Plus don't forget you've got your steadies down as well, and that helps. But for now what we're going to do is we're going to put the handbrake back on so that we can do the jobs that we need to do on the wheels and the movement of the caravan. So we've moved inside now and we're going to do some checks on the inside. Now one of the first things is to check your leisure battery if you haven't taken it off to trickle charge it at home. Now we haven't because we have a solar panel. So what we're going to do is switch the consumer unit on and then we're going to check the battery level. So as you can see there, it's saying leisure battery good and it's fluctuating between 13.4 and 13.3, which is really good. And also it does tell me that the solar panel is working. Now also, if you have one of these, a battery GSM powered alarm, then it's probably a good time to also replace your batteries. So what I like to do as well is check all the windows, make sure that they're still secure and we've not had any issues with those. Same again with the skylights as well, make sure that everything's fine, you've had no leaks, everything smells nice and dry, there's no damp smells or unpleasant smells that could be mould. Now as we've had quite a dry spell over the last few weeks, I'm going to be also siliconing the rubbers on the seals of the windows to make sure that they're okay, and also doing a few more last minute checks in the gas locker just to make sure that all the bits that I've left in nice and tidy, and everything's ready to go. So everyone, thank you very much for watching. This is how we prepare our caravan and keep it maintained during the lockdown period. I know it's been a long time since we've all managed to get to our caravans, especially those like us in storage. I do hope that these little tips that I've shown you today will help you and keep your caravan ready for the open road. Well, I hope you enjoyed our little video. I just wanted to add a little something at the end of this one by just letting you know that on the 24th of May, Sunday at 8 PM, Juliet and I will be doing a live broadcast on YouTube, and it's to help celebrate my birthday and also for us to have a little bit of fun. So we're going to be doing a Name That Tune quiz, and it is based on children's theme tunes throughout the decades. So no matter what age you are, you can have a bit of fun with this. And Shield Total Insurance have kindly provided the prizes for it. So we've two nice little prizes. So it'd be really nice to see you over on the live chat. But in the meantime, I'd just like to say thanks for watching and bye for now.